color is so beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm like leaning this way or something is just a little off. I don't know, but hopefully the video looks fine. But I'm going to go in and do a really pretty eye look today, and I'm kind of excited for this because it's a little different from what I normally do, and it's supposed to be super simple, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get right in to the makeup. I already have moisturizer and chapstick on, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my primer, which is my Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. Now for my color corrector, I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses Peach color corrector, which is high definition and smart blend. And I'm going to apply that to all the places that I have darkness on my skin. And I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to just blend that all in. Now for my foundation, I'm going to mix two foundations. It's going to be the Fenty 350 and the Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy and Smooth in 240, which is Golden Beige. I'm really pressing that in and making sure that the distribution is even. For my under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes, and I'm also going to bake my under eyes. And I'm going to do one at a time so that I can get right in before it starts to crease like crazy. So for concealer, we're going to go in with our Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. To bake, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. So I'm going to go ahead and take the baking powder and I'm going to tap off some into the cap, just like that. I have enough to bake with. I'm going to keep it right next to me. I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to do one under eye at a time. I'm going to use my little beauty sponge and go right in. Now, right away, I'm going to go ahead and take my bigger sponge and dip that into my banana powder and bake it. And now let's go ahead and do the other eye. Sorry guys, my battery died, but I just went ahead and did the same exact thing to this eye as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some cream contouring with this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to use the color Chocolate. I'm just going to use a angled brush like this and just go ahead and go into contour. I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and just blend that away. Now I'm going to add powder to my entire face with this fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to go right back into that banana powder that I have left over on this and powder my skin with that. And I'm also going to take off my what I baked. Now just to make sure that everything is kind of pushed in and pressed into my skin, I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and just kind of press everything in. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the color Sepia. for blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in Fiesty. I'm going to just use a fluffy brush and just kind of put that right onto my cheeks. For my brows, I'm going to use the Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill Tinted Brow Gel. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use this Forever 21 eyeshadow primer. To even the color, I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and put that onto my lids. To set my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette in Desert Sand. I'm going to use the color Amber and work that into my crease a little bit. And I'm working that color up and doing it in a circular motion. Now I'm going to go into the Urban Decay palette and use the color Faded and pat that onto the entire lid. Now I'm going to go in with this NYX Vivid Brights Eyeliner Gel in Gold. Had to turn my AC off, otherwise this thing would dry up so quick. I'm going to use this thin liner brush just to perfect my liner a little bit. Okay, so I think that's good for the liner. This is so pretty. This purple and this gold is just beautiful. Now I just need to go ahead and curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to use these Ardell Wispies, and for the glue, I'm going to use this Duo Glue in Dark. And I'm just going to do that off camera. Alright, so my lashes were a bit difficult as usual to put in because I used the dark color glue, which is not the best for when you're doing a different color liner than dark liner. So if it gets onto my gold liner, it's going to show black. So it's better to use clear, but I did go over my liner. Hopefully it doesn't look too messed up. I really like the way it turned out, and I just like the way the lashes look as well. I don't think they're like too much or too little for this look. For my bottom liner, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Oud color and use a little pencil brush to line that bottom lid. Now I'm going to go into that fluffy brush, take a little bit of the Oud and just brush it and smoke it out. I'm going to go into the Tarte Sex Kitten liner and line my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to go into my bottom lashes with the same mascara I used earlier. Now I'm going to take Nefertiti and a small brush and put that into my inner corner. For highlighter, I'm going to go into the Mary-Lou Manizer and highlight the high points of my cheeks. I'm going to go back into my blush again and just add a little bit of blush right over that highlight. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with this Fra lipstick that I got with my Ipsy and this NYX Lingerie in Beauty Mark. Yeah. I almost forgot, I'm going to take this flat brush and go over my brow bone with this beautiful Mary-Lou Manizer. Then I'm just going to set my face with this De-Slick setting spray from Urban Decay. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I hope you guys really like it. I think it turned out so beautifully. I love the combination of this beautiful purple with this gorgeous gold liner. I love all the colors that I used. I love that my skin looks a little dewy but not overboard, and I love that goldness, that shine, that shimmer. Everything is just so pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the like button and leave a comment below letting me know if you like this gold liner look. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. I thank you guys so much for all the support you guys give me. I love you guys so much. Bye! Feels so gold and goddessy.